Dubai spent billions to build a palm-shaped island, but there's one problem they don't talk about. Once this was merely open water, a blank canvas for an ambition unlike any other. The vision was audacious, to conjure a land of unparalleled luxury directly from the sea. This isn't just a feat of engineering, it's a colossal investment. Over $12 billion poured into carving this artificial paradise from the seabed, redefining what's possible in urban development. The sheer scale of the undertaking left the world in awe. The Palm Jumeirah quickly became a playground for the ultra-rich, a symbol of extravagance and an address for global celebrities. Here, luxury isn't just an amenity, it's the very foundation of existence. It was touted as the epitome of a dream lifestyle. From above, it appears as a serene, perfectly sculpted oasis. The waters seem calm, the beaches pristine, a testament to human ingenuity. But beneath this idyllic surface, a silent battle rages. Nature, however, has an unyielding will. The very element used to construct this marvel, sand, is also its greatest vulnerability. Every gentle wave, every tidal shift, carries away a piece of this man-made land. This isn't natural erosion from millennia of sea action. This is the aggressive wearing down of an artificial construct. Building islands from sand in an active ocean creates a permanent, relentless challenge. The problem isn't just on the surface. Beneath the waves, the very foundations of these luxurious homes are under constant assault. Hidden from view, the sea relentlessly reclaims what was once hers. The intricate palm shape, while visually stunning, presented unexpected challenges. The narrow fronds and the enclosing crescent dramatically altered natural water currents, leading to pockets of stagnant water and disrupting marine ecosystems. The initial dream overlooked certain realities. The sheer scale and artificiality of the island meant a constant, unseen struggle against the forces of nature. These aren't minor inconveniences. They are fundamental flaws in the design. The changes are often subtle, imperceptible to the casual eye. But over time, the relentless push and pull of the ocean makes its mark. What looks permanent is, in fact, incredibly fragile. The island faces a critical choice: either engage in an unending battle against the sea or watch parts of its $12 billion investment slowly vanish beneath the waves. This is the truth behind the paradise. The hidden cost of paradise is not just in its creation, but in its survival. Maintaining the Palm Jumeirah is a continuous, monumental undertaking, a daily fight against natural forces. Without constant repairs, without ceaseless replenishment, parts of it would quite simply disappear. This isn't a one-time project, it's a perpetual maintenance commitment, a costly, high-stakes endeavor. So as we gaze upon this architectural marvel, this symbol of human ambition, we must ask ourselves, is this truly the future of urban development? Or is this $12 billion paradise, constantly battling the sea, ultimately the biggest mistake ever built? The question remains, would you live there? With the right technology and endless resources, any challenge can be overcome. But should we continue in this direction? We must consider the long-term ecological costs. We can't ignore the impact on marine life for temporary gains. There is no denying the appeal and value of such a prime location, but the expansion costs could be outweighing the benefits. I moved here for the lifestyle, a true paradise as advertised. But the reality involves constant noise and public works. This land of dreams is still adjusting to its new reality. Whether it will reshape the future or serve as a cautionary tale remains to be seen. We have to innovate, consider new materials and designs to withstand the ocean's challenges. The future depends on sustainable development. Nature is the grand architect. We must learn to work with it, not against it, to truly thrive. I'll make it stronger this time. The story of the Palm Jumeirah continues, a testament to human dreams and the inevitable dance with nature. By integrating natural ecosystems into our structures, we can both protect and nourish the environment. The challenge is to create stability amidst the instability, a new paradigm for construction. Emerging technologies offer promising solutions. We must embrace adaptability and forward thinking. What if we could reimagine Palm Jumeirah as a beacon of sustainable living? Yes, we can transform it into a model that inspires future generations worldwide. When we started, we dreamed of rewriting the limits of possibility. That dream must now evolve into something grander. Our next steps will determine if future landmarks are celebrated as triumphs or lessons in humility. Innovation at sea demands more than just clever ideas. It requires an unwavering commitment to balance. By harnessing real-time data, we can bridge the gap between ambition and practicality. This is just the beginning. Sustainable progress demands clear vision and decisive action. When I grow up, I want to build a city on the water that's just as strong and beautiful. As the tides continue their eternal dance with the sands, the next chapter awaits our writing. This island is more than just an engineering marvel. It's a living classroom about our future's collaboration with nature. Long-term success means we must redefine our relationship with the world we're building on. The future we build must be for everyone, harmonizing with the natural world. Architecture should echo the resilience and adaptability of the ocean. As day turns to night, our dreams illuminate the sky, uniting past ambitions with future realities. Every wave tells a story. We need to listen if we hope to preserve this place. In our youth lies the potential to dream bigger and bolder. We are not just building structures, we are redefining the essence of home and hope. Sustainable beauty isn't just seen, it's felt in every breath we take here. Here lies a vision of the future where nature and human effort elegantly intersect.